Today I'm going to be changing a headlight bulb on this Nissan Sentra. This is the 8th generation, so this is from 2020 up to 2026, and they haven't come out with a new generation yet. So if it looks the same, it's probably the same. And we're doing the low beam headlight bulb, which is this one. This is our high beam, this is our turn signal, and this over here is our side marker bulb. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to double check and make sure that this is the bulb. I've got light on this side, and I don't have light on this side. I'm also going to come in and make sure that the lights are completely off, so we don't have any power running through there. So I'm going to come into here and identify where the bulb is. We got it right here, as you can see, and we'll pop that out. So reach in with one hand and grab the wire harness. Then go in with a screwdriver. You want to disconnect the wire harness before you pull the bulb out. Oh, and you see what happened? I twisted. Let me do it again just so you see. These might be really difficult to pull off. Make sure you're not pulling on the wires below, but I'll just demonstrate that again. Twisted here, and then I gently pulled below, and that came undone. There's our wire harness. Now we can remove the light. Just so you have a point of reference where I'm at, here's our light, our side marker bulbs here, our headlights in line here, and I'm reaching in around here to get to that harness. And before you handle a bulb, make sure you put a glove on. If you touch the glass on the bulb with your hands, just the natural oil on your hands can break a bulb. So we're disconnected. From the driver's perspective, you're going to go counterclockwise. Not a ton of pressure is needed to do that, and then this comes out. And you'll notice that there are those 3 little prongs that come out. That's what you line it up with. And you line up. Let's see. How did I do this? Burp. There we go. Yeah, so those 3 little prongs, took me a second to get that figured out, pop into place. And then also this rubber seal can make it difficult to get on and off. Sometimes they're super easy. This was the easy one, and sometimes they can be more difficult. There is the bulb information. It's an H11 bulb, super common automotive bulb. And I'm gonna throw one in. So then I'm gonna line this up. It's about a quarter, well, like an 1/8 turn pointed towards the engine, and then it clicks into place like so. And you'll feel the resistance from that seal. Then here's our plug. That's going to line up. Notice they're on the sides right here. There's little guides for it to line up. And then you push. And you're fighting that seal. So it is a firm push. So, and then let's check and make sure it turns on. So I turned the car on. We were on the completely off position. Go to the on position, not auto, because it's daylight. And we go under here, and our light's working. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.